Objective 11 says, after reviewing the life cycle of ferns, explain why they must be found in a moist environment. And this is also on page 102 in your textbook. The reason they have to be, well, first of all, let's look at the life cycle. You start over there at the very top uh, with the sporophyte, number one. That's dominant in the ferns. And number two tells us that there are sporangia in this fern, and they are located on the underside of the leaflets in what's called sori. And the spores are within a sporangium that you see there, and then it leads to the gametophyte generation, the beige. That sporangium, you've got the meiosis happening, and the spores are made. And when the sporangium opens up, the spores are going to be released. And so the spore becomes this big leaf called a prothallus, and we're looking there at the underside of it. And it has archegonium up at the notch that you see at the top, and it also has antheridium down at the tip between the rhizoids. And fertilization is going to occur where the flagellated sperms swim on a film of water to get to the egg within the archegonium, and that's going to produce the zygote, and that takes us back to the sporophyte generation, which then will begin development inside the archegonium, and it'll develop this first leaf above the prothallus starts to appear, and then the roots, and then you end up with the fronds that you see there. So why does it have to have water, be in a moist environment? So that the sperm from the antheridium can swim to the archegonium and fertilization can occur.